Hey everyone! Welcome back to Speak Up English, Learn from Zero. I'm Anna, and today we're talking about something super useful for everyone.
Yeah, time management. Because if you can manage your time well, you can learn faster, work better, and feel less stressed.
Exactly. So today, John and I are in the studio to share some of the best time management techniques you can start using right now.
Let's go!
So, John, what's one technique you use to stay focused?
I love the Pomodoro Technique. It's simple but really effective. You work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break.
Pomodoro. That's Italian for tomato, right?
Yeah, exactly. It was named after a tomato-shaped timer. You focus for 25 minutes, no distractions, then reward yourself with a short break.
That's perfect. I often get tired when I study too long without a break, so this helps you reset your brain.
Right. It keeps your mind fresh and prevents burnout.
Part 2, time blocking. Okay, what's another one?
The time blocking method. You plan your day by dividing it into blocks of time, and each block is for one type of task.
So, for example, from 8 to 10 a.m., you can study English. Then from 10:30 to 12, you can check emails or have meetings.
Exactly. It helps you focus better because you don't jump between tasks.
Oh, I like that. Sometimes I open 5 tabs and try to do everything at once and end up finishing nothing.
That's why time blocking helps. It's like making an appointment with yourself to get things done.
Part 3, the Eisenhower Matrix. Okay, I've heard of something called the Eisenhower Matrix. What's that?
Oh, that's one of my favorites. It helps you decide what's urgent and important.
What's the difference?
Urgent means it needs to be done soon, like replying to a message or finishing a report. Important means it helps you in the long term, like improving your health or learning English.
So we should focus on things that are both urgent and important first, right?
Exactly. That's the top priority. Then you plan the important but not urgent ones.
Nice. I think I spend too much time on small, urgent stuff and forget what really matters. Part 4, the 80-20 rule.
Another great one is the 80-20 rule, also called the Pareto principle.
What's that about?
It means 20% of your actions give you 80% of your results. So focus on what really matters.
Oh, like when learning English. 20% of words are used in 80% of conversations.
Exactly. So you don't need to study everything, just the most useful parts first.
That makes learning so much easier. Part 5, avoid multitasking.
And finally, avoid multitasking.
Uh-oh, guilty. I always multitask. I check my phone, listen to music, and study at the same time.
We all do that sometimes. But when you multitask, your brain keeps switching between tasks and you actually get less done.
So focus on one thing at a time, do it well, and then move on.
Exactly. Quality over quantity.
Okay, let's review. Pomodoro for focus, time blocking for planning, Eisenhower matrix for priorities, 80-20 rule for results, and avoid multitasking for quality.
Perfect summary, Anna. So, which one do you want to try first?
I'll start with Pomodoro, 25 minutes of work, 5 minutes of chill.
Nice choice. What about you guys? Which technique would you like to try? Tell us in the comments.
And don't forget, practice English every day with us. Subscribe, like, and keep learning with Speak Up English.
See you next time, and remember,
Speak up and learn from zero.